So we're headed north of 38 over to Freeport. Love this community, Hammock Bay.
Very popular, family-friendly community. I've got a 4-bed, 3-bath home just for you. It's only 3 years old, so let's go check it out.
Awesome.
High ceilings with crown, your fireplace, so much open space for the family and entertaining, anything that you need. High-end touches with the quartz countertops, backsplash. I mean, you've got it all right here.
In my bones, I feel you, all the nerves.
Space for a second seating area or a kids zone. A beautiful ensuite, number 2. Look at this glorious owner's ensuite, leading right into the main bedroom. There are 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2 are ensuites. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.